Question number 4. A small ball B is projected from a point 1.5 meters above horizontal ground with initial speed 29 meters per second at an angle of 30 degrees above the horizontal. Show that B strikes the ground 3 seconds after the projection. Okay, so we have a ball being projected from 1.5 meters above the ground at an angle of 30 degrees. So now let's assume that the motion of the ball is like this and it touches the ground at this point, which is 1.5 meters below the level of O. So at the point when the ball touches the ground, its vertical displacement is minus 1.5 meters at this point. Using the equation y is equal to u sine theta t minus half gt square, we can find the time at which it touches the ground. Substituting the values in the equation, we get minus 1.5 is equal to 29 sine 30 t minus 5t square. Solving the quadratic, phi t square minus 14.5 t minus 1.5 is equal to 0. You will be getting this from this, which gives time as 3 seconds, which is what the question asked you to find. The second part says, find the speed and direction of B immediately before it strikes the ground. Okay, that's very straightforward. Let's write down the horizontal component of velocity and vertical component of velocity of the ball B when it strikes the ground at this point. The horizontal component of velocity at this point is given by u cos theta, where u is the initial velocity and theta is the angle of projection. This is nothing but 25.11. The vertical component of velocity is given by u sine theta minus gt, where u is the speed of projection, theta is the angle of projection 30 minus g into the time. The time here is 3 seconds, which we found from the first part, the point of contact with the ground. We should be getting that as minus 15.5. Note these values for further calculations. In order to find the direction of the ball at the point of contact, we're going to use tan theta is equal to Vy by Vx, where Vy is the vertical component of velocity and Vx is the horizontal component of velocity. We found them earlier. They are minus 15.5 and 25.11. That should give you theta as minus 31.7 degrees. Note that the minus sign indicates that the ball is coming downwards, which means that when the ball is here, the angle it makes with the horizontal is 31.7 degrees. The negative sign indicates that it is coming downwards. The ball is coming downwards. Now for the speed at that point, it is given by v is equal to under root velocity of x component whole square plus velocity of y component whole square. That would give you 25.11 whole square plus minus 15.5 whole square, which is 29.5 meters per second. This is the speed of the ball before it touches the ground.